Hello backers, and basically welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be making tuna pasta bake. Right, the ingredients for this you need are 500 grams of pasta, 100 grams of frozen peas, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 125 grams of cheddar cheese, and 3 grams of 3 cans of tuna drained, and 198 grams a can of sweet corn drained. Okay, so the first thing you do is get a pan full of water and bring it to the boil. Personally, I boil the kettle and put the water in, and put a little bit of salt in it as well. Right, in the meantime, while you're waiting for it to come to a boil, what you need to do is melt the butter over medium heat. Right, once the butter is melted, you might want to stir in the flour for about a couple of minutes. Okay, so you should have this consistency. So what I'm going to do now is pour in the milk. Okay, so you need to bring it to the boil and keep whisking and whisk constantly. Okay, so what you also need to do is stir it on a regular basis. Right, okay, so I've added the pasta to the boiling water, and it should take round about 8 minutes to cook. Okay, so this is how the consistency of the sauce should be. So I've removed it from the hob, and I'm continuing to cook the pasta. Okay, so I have drained the right, so okay, I've also drained the sweet corn and the peas. Okay, so I'm stirring in the tuna and the vegetables. Also, let's not forget the mustard, which I almost did. And also some seasoning of salt and pepper. Okay, so the pasta is already in a baking bowl, so I'm putting the mixture on top of it. Okay. So what I've done now is mixed the pasta in with the mixture, so that it'll be so that all the pastas are coated in with the mixture. So now I'm sprinkling the cheese evenly over to get a nice topping. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is sprinkle the cheese over with Worcester sauce, because I know that Worcester sauce and cheese mix really. Okay, so now I'm slamming it in the oven for around about 15 to 20 minutes, 180 at 180 degrees. Okay. Right, so okay, here it is, the tuna pasta bake. Right, so okay, that wrapped up another cooking recipe. Okay, so I think it's appropriate to say that at this stage that I got this out of a book called You Can Cook by Barbara Freeman. Now she's running cooking courses across Cheshire if you're nearby and interested, and also she's got a book for sale. I'll leave the links in the description below, and she's doing courses all across Cheshire if you live nearby. Okay, so thanks again for watching this video. Do remember, YouTube is getting into the habit now of taking subs off YouTubers, so do me a favour, make sure that you're still subscribed to this channel if you're interested. Also do like and subscribe if you haven't already done, like this video, because it certainly helps with the algorithm. And also, if you're learning to cook and you're autistic or just basically want to learn to cook, do remember that I have your back.